Hello everyone. Last week we learned about chat responses. Today we are learning about chat options. I'll just go over a demo first, then we can look over it. You can see this is nothing new. This is from last week. And then we can see the responses. Let's focus on the model, Mistral, rate limit and all those things. Then uses, prompt token numbers and stuff like that. Then let's go to the response, right? Sure, here's one for you. And these are the responses. So what is chat response? Chat response is to make changes with the model we use and limit temperatures and all those things. So I'll go over the code. I'll show you the changes. So this is the code. I commented some of the stuff. We saw Mistral. Let's change the model first, and then temperature as 0.0. That's always same response. We'll see the difference later. In addition to that, we have to do this one. We put the options in. Nothing changed, just that create the chat options object and set whatever you want to change. So let's go. I'll just show you what are the things you can change. So here's the list of things you can change: the model, frequency penalty, max tokens, and presence penalty, stop responses. All of these things you can change, but we'll just focus on basic things first. So I changed few of the stuff. Model, which we understand. Temperature is for the response randomness. Let me rebuild this one and check. So let's get back to the Postman. So let me rerun the same request. So here, see whatever we change, right? Llama model change into the whatever we change, token numbers. We can change this stuff also. And then this is the response, right? What do you call a fake noodle? Let me try to make multiple calls. See, nothing is changing because we made the temperature to be 0. Let's go change temperature to be this one. Let's comment this one. So there's a little bit of randomness. You can change the model. I'll just comment so you know. We'll go back to the default. A lot of things are already set up default, so it's already there. You don't need to change everything. So you just change whatever is needed for your project, right? So let me restart and go back to the Postman. And then let's go. So let's see. The first thing is we got back the model back to the default, and then the response. Here's one: why don't scientists trust atoms? Let's see if I get the different response if I keep making changes. See, now there's a different response. Let's go trust atoms. So there's different responses. The length, it just is trying to be more creative. It's not spitting out the same response all the time, though it has the similar context, but the response is different because it tries to be creative. That's all for today. So this you can do through default options. Let me show you this one, right? So this you can do in this way. You can create the object and put it as default option, and also you can do this through the properties, so you can have different configuration for different environments. I would like you to try that and let me know how it goes. Bye.